Hello traders, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, we're delving into the GBPUSD pair, examining both the latest news affecting the pound sterling and its performance against the US dollar, as well as analyzing the chart data to identify trends, reversals, key support and resistance levels, and pinpointing important price points to watch. Let's begin with the news affecting the GBPUSD pair. Recent Google search results reveal significant market sentiment towards a potential 50 basis points rate cut by the Federal Reserve next week, which is driving the US dollar lower against its major rivals, including the British pound. This sentiment is reinforced by reports of weakening inflation data in the US, further pressuring the USD. Additionally, the Bank of England is expected to cut interest rates by 25 basis points 4 times starting from the summer, anticipating the key rate to be slashed from 5.25% to as low as 4.25% by the end of 2024. This anticipated dovish stance by the BOE, coupled with the potential Fed rate cut, suggests a further weakening of the US dollar against the pound. However, it's crucial to note that the GBPUSD pair is likely to experience volatility due to the upcoming general elections in both the US and the UK next year. The prospect of a recession in the run-up to the 2024 national election in the UK also remains a concern, potentially impacting the pound's strength. These news events are significant drivers for the GBPUSD pair and warrant close attention. Now, let's turn our attention to the chart data and see how these news events are reflected in price action. We'll start with the daily chart. Looking at the daily chart for GBPUSD, we see a clear upward trend since the beginning of September, suggesting a bullish sentiment. The price has broken through multiple resistance levels, indicating a strong buying pressure. However, we can also observe some retracements, highlighting the volatility of the market. A significant price level to watch is the 1.3150 resistance level. If the price can break through this level, it could signal further bullish momentum. On the other hand, a failure to break through this level could indicate a potential reversal and a shift towards bearish sentiment. The daily chart provides a macro perspective on GBPUSD's movement. Now, let's zoom in and analyze the 1-hour chart for a more granular perspective. The 1-hour chart reveals a more volatile picture of GBPUSD's movement. We can see a series of bullish candles, indicating a strong buying pressure, but also observe some bearish candles, showing a pullback in the price. It's crucial to note that this volatility is likely driven by the upcoming Fed rate decision next week. The market is currently pricing in a greater than 40% probability of a 50 basis points Fed rate cut, leading to fluctuations in price action. One important price level to watch on the 1-hour chart is the 1.3130 support level. If the price breaks below this level, it could suggest a bearish trend. On the other hand, holding above this level could indicate a potential continuation of the bullish trend. The 1-hour chart provides a more dynamic view of GBPUSD's movement compared to the daily chart. To gain a deeper understanding of GBPUSD's intraday movement, let's switch to the 15-minute chart. The 15-minute chart reveals the most granular view of price action, highlighting every minute fluctuation. We can see a series of bullish candles, followed by a few bearish candles, reflecting the short-term volatility. This volatility is likely driven by the constant flow of news and economic data impacting the market. While the 15-minute chart provides a clear picture of intraday movement, it's important to remember that this time frame can be highly susceptible to noise and short-term fluctuations. Therefore, it's best to use this chart in conjunction with the daily and 1-hour charts for a comprehensive analysis. Based on our analysis of the news and chart data, let's recap the key price levels to watch. The 1.3150 level on the daily chart acts as a critical resistance level. Breaking through this level could signal a bullish trend and further upside potential. However, failure to break through this level could indicate a potential reversal and a shift towards bearish sentiment. On the 1-hour chart, the 1.3130 level serves as a significant support level. Breaking below this level could suggest a bearish trend. Holding above this level could indicate a continuation of the bullish trend. The 15-minute chart provides a detailed view of intraday movement, but it's essential to use this chart in conjunction with the larger timeframes for a comprehensive analysis. It's crucial to remember that trading is inherently risky, and no analysis can guarantee future price movements. The news events discussed today are significant drivers for GBPUSD, but the market can be unpredictable. Therefore, it's essential to manage your risk effectively and avoid emotional trading. The best way to approach this market is to focus on the key price levels we discussed, monitor the news events closely, and observe the price action on different timeframes for a comprehensive understanding.